親子喧嘩なんです。
Yo, what is up, SER gang? I told y'all was gonna get 2 videos, you feel me? This is the second one. Now, we do, and we is, going to go get the Heavenly Restriction, you feel me? And we gonna test out the sounds, Heavenly Restriction. Ain't gonna really say too much. This video not long. Now, cause we ain't get really much in this many update. So yeah, bro, kinda sucks. But hey, as I told y'all in the last video, all these mini updates is equaling up to a big update. That's all I can say without my lawyer. You feel me? So we just gonna go spin. We spinning our race again in our custom league. So you feel me? And go to the spawn on my server. Oh, holy lag. So we finna get a cursed unique first. We'll come back at y'all once we got that. I ain't trying to hold y'all up too long. So see y'all when we got it, you feel me? Yes sir, you already know we got it. Look at the clan. Look at the CT. These TOJI, Zen and back and then they did say they added volume to it, so you can go check it out. You already know we gotta put on the inventory curse. Yep, yeah. Alright now, split soul katana. Okay, the lag. Forgot about the stats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, split soul katana. Z. Oh yes sir, big boy damage. It's a little bit laggy. I don't know why it lags. Let me, let's zoom out, see what it do. A little cool little dash and those little slashes. Yes sir. Now I got to play for Cloud. Damn. The lag with these. Well, do that to that. I have Hunter Wave. Jump up, slide down. This canvas. I've inverted Spirit of Heaven. Use tough up behind. Put them in. They all do the same damage. Anyways. Oh, you already know we got it do. Lost it. Oh, bro, they need to fix it, bro. I don't feel hype when I get it. Alright, now the heavy slime. Yeah, that's the damage. You hear that? Alright, the curse slaughter. The killer. Alright, angry assault. Oh, this okay, is he gonna stop? Alright, I guess he's not. Guess he won't stop. Alright, but oh, that is bad. Stop it. Oh, so it's like a little kick. Alright, yeah, bro. This Crusty Nuke is so good, bro. Man, this Crusty Nuke, promise you won't regret it. Anyways, that is the end of the video. You feel me? I told y'all I had a little slot, a little video for y'all. 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Feel me? Appreciate for the love, appreciate for everything that y'all gave. I mean, y'all gave me this platform, and I'm going to use it well. Not quitting no time soon. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video tomorrow. I might release one tomorrow. I don't know. If not, Friday, I think. Anyways, peace out. Love y'all.